The way your customers find you online has fundamentally changed. That familiar world of blue links we all grew up with, it's disappearing. And it's being replaced by AI that gives people direct answers. Now, if your business isn't part of that answer, you're pretty much becoming invisible. So how do you win in this new era? That's what we're here to break down. For decades, the rules of the game were simple, right? You'd search for something, you'd get a list of 10 blue links, and you click one to check out a site. But that entire world is being replaced. Today, your customers are asking questions directly to AI platforms and they expect an instant, complete answer without ever needing to click a thing. And the impact of this is just staggering. Get this, a full 60% of all searches now result in 0 clicks. Let that sink in. For more than half of all the questions people ask, no one ever clicks through to a website. Your potential customers get their answers, and then poof, they're gone. And here's what that looks like in the real world. The data is telling us that when one of Google's AI overviews shows up in the results, the click-through rate to the regular websites plummets by nearly half. We're not talking about a small dip here. This is a full-on traffic earthquake for any business that relies on search. So if people aren't clicking on links anymore, where are they getting their information? Well, that brings us to the new landscape, a world that's completely dominated by generative engines and AI answers. This image here really paints the perfect picture of that change. On the left, you've got the traditional search engine, just a list of links that you have to sift through yourself. But on the right, that's the new reality. A generative engine does all the heavy lifting for you. It pulls information from tons of sources to create one single direct answer. You see, this evolution requires a completely new playbook. For years, we had traditional SEO, which was all about ranking high in that list of search results. Then came Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, which was focused on getting your site into those special featured answer boxes. But today, the game has changed again. The winning strategy now is Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, and it's all about influencing the AI models themselves on platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and of course, Google's AI Overviews. Okay, so what exactly is this new discipline? Let's dig in and really define what we mean when we say generative engine optimization. To put it simply, GEO is the whole process of making your brand and your content the AI's favorite go-to source. It's about setting up your entire digital presence so that these incredibly complex systems see you as a real authority, someone who's actually worth citing. I absolutely love this quote because it just perfectly captures the huge shift in mindset. You see, the old goal was to get someone to click on your link. The new goal? It's to become a part of the AI-generated answer itself, to be the authority that the AI trusts and quotes directly. And here's the most important part. GEO is really all about teaching the AI about your business. It's about feeding it all the right signals so that when it goes and scans the entire internet for information in your industry, it doesn't just find your brand, it understands that you are a trusted, reliable expert that it should absolutely recommend. So how do you actually do this? How do you make an AI trust you? Well, we're going to walk you through a proven methodology that helps businesses just like yours win in this new era of AI search. Our approach is really comprehensive, and it's all structured around 3 core pillars. This isn't about finding little loopholes or quick fixes. It's about building a solid, long-term strategy so you're visible on every single platform that matters. Let's break them down. Our first pillar is a foundation of everything, content and authority. Think of it like this. AI models are designed to find new, truly valuable information. They actually penalize content that just rehashes what everyone else is already saying. To win, you have to provide what's called information gain. That means original research, unique data, and expert insights that no one else has. That's how you signal to the AI that you are a true authority worth listening to. Pillar 2 is all about taking that amazing content and making it machine readable. See, it's not enough just to write for humans anymore. You have to structure your content for AI. We use tools like structured data, or schema, which is basically like putting a digital name tag on all your information to tell the AI exactly what it's looking at. Things like a logical site structure and clear headings act like a table of contents, making it super easy for the AI to quickly understand and trust what you're saying. And our third pillar moves beyond your own website to build trust all across the internet. And AI isn't just going to take your word for it. It's looking for outside validation. So when it sees your brand mentioned in trusted industry publications or finds consistent info about you everywhere it looks, that confirms your authority. That's also why we help build your presence on platforms like YouTube and Reddit, because believe it or not, AIs now use them as key sources to form their answers. Now, this isn't about throwing out everything that used to work. Our strategy actually integrates the best parts of traditional SEO and AEO with this new, absolutely critical layer of GEO. It's a holistic approach, and it's designed to future-proof your brand, making sure you're visible wherever your customers are looking for you. So all of this leads to one really crucial takeaway for your business. As you start to think about your future in the world of search, in this brand new landscape, if your customers are online asking questions about your products, your services, or your industry, then it's just not enough to be a link they might click. Your brand needs to be woven directly into the fabric of the answer they get. So to make sure your business isn't just a link, but is the answer, you need a strategy built for this new world. At Dakshraj Enterprise, we can build that strategy for you. Visit our website to explore our generative engine optimization services, and let's talk about how we can help your brand win the future of search.